Hi, we're standing here with Magnus Martensson from Martensson Consulting. Hi, Magnus, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, so I'm from Sweden. I'm a Microsoft Azure MVP, and I'm here to give 2 sessions at Tech Days. It's awesome.
Okay, nice to have you here. Your first session is the last slot today. Can you tell us what that session is about?
Well, it's about running back-end worker threads on Azure, basically. Back in the days, you normally used what was called a cloud service worker role for this purpose, and it's kind of complex to do. So Microsoft had gone and created something which had a code name Simple Batch, and now is published in a preview under the name of Web Jobs. A web job is the ability to run something on the back end of your website. So you're basically hosting them together with your website, but if you have, the classic scenario is you have an email that you want to send out to somebody who posts a form. And sending an email takes about a couple of seconds. So rather than sending it from your front end web page, you send it from the back end. So basically you queue up the emails and send them on the back end. So the Web Jobs is my first session. It's kind of a useful session.
Okay, sounds very useful too. You have another session tomorrow, which has a little overlap, but is also on a different topic. Can you explain what that's about?
Yeah. So it's kind of in the same vicinity. It's about doing continuous delivery, and you can also continuously deliver your web jobs. But mostly it's about continuously delivering your product. So the golden scenario is your coders are coding away on the code, and they're checking it in or pushing it, depending on what source control you might be using. On the back end, you have the source control monitored by your build agents, which of course pick up your code and build your solution, run all your unit tests, and if everything is green and everything is okay, everything builds and all the tests are green, it could potentially deploy straight into production. So I know companies that go to production several times a day, or many times a day. And the cool features built into these kinds of systems are that you have all these checks before you actually deploy. And if you do make some kind of logic mistake and put something online which shouldn't be there, you can easily step back to the previous version and just like a blink of an eye, just step back into the previous version. So continuous delivery is an enormously powerful tool. And if you're in the type of organization that really can't see themselves doing that into production, you could always do it to your test environments or to a staging environment and then check it out manually, and if everything is okay, you could switch it to production. So continuous delivery, extremely powerful, everybody should do it.
Clear message. So your field is more the platform level of the Azure platform. What gets you motivated to look for new subjects, new technologies, new stuff in this area?
Well, the cloud is fantastic right now. I'm so fortunate to be on the cloud track right now, to be in the cloud in this time of our history, because the cloud is really taking off everywhere. It's not only, of course, the Microsoft cloud, the Microsoft Azure cloud, it's the other ones too. But really, there's so much focus from Microsoft on the cloud platform right now. All the great minds of Microsoft are working very hard at forwarding and the cloud and making the cloud story really stick. So that means that since everybody is doing so many exciting things on the cloud platform, it's nice to just be around it and just be near it. And the stuff that gets me going every day is the opportunity in my company to go out and teach everybody about this and show how to do it and basically transform old stagnant businesses into modern cloud-based services and solutions for the future. I don't know if that came on. That sound was on camera. Never mind. But that's what gets me going every day anyway. It's a great time to be in the cloud.
Okay, it sounds like great motivation. Other than a little disturbance, thank you very much for sharing your knowledge with us in the ICT Expert Talk, and we hope to see you next year again.
My pleasure. Thank you.